नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डायमेंशनल. यूनिट 1 में डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, what do you mean by dimensions of a physical quantity? First of all, dimensions of a physical quantity, how you define it? Physical quantity is that quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly, that we have discussed already. What do you mean by dimensions of a physical quantity? Right, every physical quantity is expressed, abhi likhna nahi, every physical quantity is expressed in terms of powers of fundamental units m, l and t. M to the power b, l to the power b, t to the power c. Three fundamental quantities we have taken. These are the base quantities. M, L and T are base quantities. Which quantities are there? Base or fundamental quantities. Sorry, M, L and T are fundamental or base quantities. And the powers to which these base quantities are to be raised. आपने इन base quantity को जितनी power से raise किया, that is said to be the dimensions of physical quantities. ठीक है. So here what are dimensions? A, B and C are called the dimensions of, मैं ये short form लिखूंगी बेटा, DIM और ऊपर N, dimensions of quantity Q. Yes, note down this. This is a quantity Q, physical quantity Q, and we have to write it in terms of base quantities, fundamental quantities, m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c. M, L and T are base or fundamental quantities. A, B and C are called the dimensions. जो ये powers हैं ये क्या हैं इसके? Dimensions. A, B and C are called as dimensions. Yes, is it clear? So how we define these dimensions? Dimensions of a physical quantity is defined as dimensions of a physical quantity may be defined as the power to which fundamental units or quantities to be raised to represent that quantity. First of all, tell me, meaning is clear to all of you? Meaning is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Dimensions of a physical quantity may be defined as the power to which the fundamental units, कौन से fundamental unit? M, L and T. These are quantities, or you can say it is unit, fundamental unit M, L and T to be raised to represent that physical quantity. अगर आपको उस physical quantity को represent करना है तो आपने उसको कितनी power से raise किया. These powers are called the dimension of a physical quantity. For example, if we take this speed, what is the formula for speed? Distance covered divided by time taken. Distance covered divided by time taken. What is distance? L. What is time taken? T. Right? So L is the fundamental unit for distance, T is the fundamental unit for time. So you can say speed is L T raised to the power -1. आप इसे ऊपर ले गए न्यूमरेटर में तो पावर क्या हो जाएगी इसकी? +1 पावर है तो क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ? -1. सो कैन आई राइट दिस एज, I want to express it in terms of m, l and t. Mass is not present, so it is m to the power 0, l to the power 1, t raised to the power -1. So what is this? Can you tell me what are the dimensions of speed? What are the dimensions of speed? बोलो क्या होंगे डायमेंशन? 0, 1, -1. What are the dimensions of speed? 0, 1 minus 1. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is dimension. All of you have written? But note कर लीजिए इसे, because on any day I can ask from you that send your PDFs. अपनी नोटबुक की जितना कराया मैंने आपसे PDF मंगानी है. डन? करें आगे? Yes, done beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is
Yes, ma'am.
dimensional formula. What is dimensional formula? क्या होता है ये dimensional formula? It is an expression. ये क्या है? It is an expression. पहले इसकी statement लिखो, फिर बताती हूँ. It is an expression which tells two things. Which tells first, एक expression है जो two things बताता है. Which tells first, which fundamental quantity represents, which fundamental quantities represents the given physical quantity. Note down this. This is quantity. Second, the nature of dependence. Second is the nature of dependence. First, which tells which fundamental quantities represents the given physical quantity, and second is the nature of dependence. It is an expression which tells two things. First, which fundamental quantities represents the given physical quantity. Second is the nature of dependence. Second is the nature of dependence. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, अगर हम एक example है speed. We have calculated the dimension formula for speed is m0 l1 t minus 1. इस पूरे को हम dimension formula बताते हैं. Because it tells on which fundamental quantities are representing speed. मुझे बताओ इसमें क्या represent करेंगे fundamental quantities? Distance and time. So here distance and time represent speed. It is independent of mass, because what is the power of mass here? 0. What is the power of mass here? 0. In this equation, you can mark this as equation number 1. This is equation number 1. If we write the dimension formula for speed, it is m0 l1 t minus 1. So in this dimension formula, in this, speed is represented by two fundamental quantities. Which two fundamental quantities? Which two fundamental quantities?
Length and time.
Yes, length and time. Length and time. And it is independent of mass. It is independent of mass because it is m to the power 0. Second is the nature of dependence. Nature of dependence means it is directly proportional to distance and inversely proportional to time. देखो फॉर्मूले में t raised to the power -1 you are getting. So it depend upon distance directly and inversely proportional to time. Yes, is it clear beta? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to time.
Time.
Right? करें आगे. Now the next is, have you done dimensional equation? Next is dimensional equation. Dimensional if a physical quantity is equated to its dimensional formula, then it become डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन. अगर आप फिजिकल क्वांटिटी v है और आप इसको इसके डायमेंशन फार्मूला से इक्वेट कर दो m0l1t-1 स्पीड, तो ये क्या बन गई? दिस इज सेट टू बी डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन. बेटा दीज आर दी स्टैंडर्ड कन्वेंशन दैट यू हैव टू पुट इट इन कैपिटल ब्रैकेट्स. आपको ये इसको कैपिटल ब्रैकेट्स में रखना है हमेशा. ठीक है, दीज आर दी स्टैंडर्ड्स. If a physical quantity equated to its dimension formula, then it become dimensional equation. Yes, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
If there is any doubt, then you can ask. Now we are going to start with dimension formula for different physical quantities. Dimensional formula for different physical quantities and their unit. तो हम different quantities लेंगे. Last time I have given you one work that you have to revise all the physical formulas. So first quantity is area. Okay, area से पहले अगर मैं कहूँ what is the dimension formula for mass? It is m, right? तो इसका dimension formula m1L0T0. And what is its unit? Kilogram. What is its unit? Kilogram. If I will say write the dimension formula for length, it is L. So it is m0L1T0. And what is its unit? Meter. Third is time. It is T. Yes, there are few students who joined today. Can you tell me, Anubhav and Arman, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Right? Time is m0L0T1. And what is its unit? Seconds. Right? These are the three fundamental quantities. Now the next is area. What is the formula for area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. It is L into B. So L is, yes, this is L. This is also L. Breadth is also measured in L. So what it become? L square. Right? But generally we will write it in this term m0L2T0. Student, I will not read it as L square. आप भी नहीं रीड करेंगे इसे L square. We will read it as m0L2T0. कैसे रीड करेंगे? m0L2T0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is its SI unit? Meter square. SI unit is meter square. Next is volume. Volume is length into breadth into height. कितना हो जाएगा? L into L into L, because all these are lengths. So it become L cube. I will read it as L3. So it become m0 L3 T0. And what is its unit? Meter cube. What is its unit? Meter cube. Yes, right? What is its unit? Meter cube.
Okay.
Right? करें आगे बेटे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ. Okay, now
मैम ये वॉल्यूम में क्या लिखा है M0L3
T0, M0 L3 T0, and its unit is meter cube. Unit is meter cube. Next is density. What is the formula for density?
mass upon volume.
Yes, it is mass upon volume. If you know their physical formula, then you can easily calculate it. This is M, mass is M, volume is L cube, so it become ml minus 3. ml minus 3. What is its SI unit become? Kilogram per meter cube. What is its SI unit?
Kilogram per.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is speed or velocity. Next is speed or
मैम एक बार लास्ट पेज पे दो
okay beta.
Last
Wait for 1 minute. Density is mass upon volume. Mass is m L cube, so it is ml minus 3. T तो है ही नहीं. And what is its unit? Kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube. Done? Next is speed and, or you can say velocity. Speed or velocity is distance or displacement. Anything you can take because both are measured in terms of length. So it is L upon T. ठीक है. So it become m0 L1 T minus 1. And what is its unit? Meter per second. What is its unit? Meter per second. And any type of velocity. अब ये नहीं कि आपको यहाँ स्पीड वेलोसिटी कुछ दे दी. हम अलग अलग वेलोसिटी पढ़ेंगे. एस्केप वेलोसिटी, कहीं पर भी वेलोसिटी वाली टर्म आ जाए. क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी, इन सबके डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला क्या रहेंगे? m0 L1 T minus 1. स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. डू यू नो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the formula? What is speed of light?
3 into 10
T into 10
Yes.
power 8.
3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So any type of velocity, any type of speed, they have the same dimension formula.
What about angular velocity?
That we will discuss later, right? That is some different. First of all, I am discussing those quantities which is related to mechanics. Next is acceleration. This quantity is, I think, 7th. So I will not discuss it again. Escape velocity, critical velocity. हाँ, एक और भी आती है, orbital velocity. कोई भी velocity आ जाए, they have the same dimension formula, LT minus 1. Right? Next is acceleration.
LT minus 2
Yes, acceleration is rate of change of velocity, यानी velocity upon time. What is velocity? LT minus 1 divided by time taken. तो कितना हो जाएगा ये? LT minus 2. It is LT minus 2. And what is its unit? Meter per second square. What is its unit?
meter per second square.
Yes. Ab for every acceleration, this acceleration is also of different type. Acceleration due to gravity, क्या होती है इसकी वैल्यू? 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट इट, है ना? इन क्लास 9th you have studied centripetal acceleration. All these are acceleration. So they have the same unit and same dimension formula. Means any of the acceleration possess the same dimension formula. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is momentum. Ninth quantity is momentum, or generally you can say linear momentum. It is represented by P and it is mass into velocity. mv. This is m and velocity हमने अभी find out किया lt minus 1. So we can write it as m to the power 1, l to the power 1, t raised to the power minus 1. So its unit become kilogram meter per second. मास के किलोग्राम, एल के मीटर और इसके सेकेंड. किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड. इज इट क्लियर? Momentum P is mass into velocity. M into velocity is LT minus 1. M1 L1 T minus 1. Done? Next is force.
MLT minus 2.
Yes, force is mass into acceleration. It is M. Acceleration is LT minus 2. Acceleration अभी हमने किया यहाँ पर LT minus 2 find out किया था ना. So now it become MLT minus 2. बेटा ये कुछ formulas ऐसे हैं दो that you have to learn directly. कि what is the dimension formula for force MLT minus 2, because it is used in many of the formulas. And what is its SI unit? Newton. SI unit is Newton. That is N. अब ये जो फोर्स है, there are so many forces. आप उन सबके डायमेंशन क्या होंगे? सेम. This force may be of thrust. Thrust is also a force. Tension भी आप पढ़ोगे. Tension is also a force. Centripetal force. कोई भी फोर्स हो, उन सबके डायमेंशन क्या होंगे? सेम. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. देयर आर सो मैनी फोर्स. फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स, फ्रिक्शन, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स, कोई भी फोर्स आ जाए. टेंशन एक फोर्स होता है जो स्ट्रिंग में आता है, ठीक है. लेकिन आपको अगर क्वेश्चन में ये वर्ड टेंशन आ जाए तो टेंशन मतलब क्या है? एक फोर्स. टेंशन मीन्स फोर्स. थ्रस्ट इज फोर्स, फ्रिक्शन इज फोर्स, सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स इज फोर्स तो नज़र आ ही रहा है. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, ये all these are force. So all of these quantities having the same dimension as that of force MLT minus 2. MLT minus 2. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, next करें. Have you completed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is work. What is work? Work is force into displacement. So for this you must know work is force into displacement. What is force? MLT minus 2. Just we have discussed. Displacement is L. So it become ML2 T minus 2. ML2 T minus. आपके माइंड में अगर आपको ये याद होगा इट इज़ फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट कि व्हाट इज़ द डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला फॉर फोर्स MLT minus 2 और डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज L. You will get it equal to ML2T minus 2. And what is its SI unit? Joules. SI unit is joule. Yes, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
विच क्वांटिटी नंबर इज दिस? कौन सी हम कर रहे थे इससे पहले? बताओ जरा, कितना कर लिया था हमने ये? 10, 11. अब every work, whenever you do work, then you know it is stored in the form of energy. और कोई भी एनर्जी आ जाए तो एनर्जी के यूनिट्स और एनर्जी का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला भी क्या होगा? सेम. एनर्जी डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला इज सेम. वर्क इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. अब देखो, मैंने आपको कहा था काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ जाए. व्हाट इज के ई? काइनेटिक एनर्जी. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, पी डॉट ई पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. कोई भी एनर्जी हो, अभी हम और भी आगे सरफेस एनर्जी, बहुत सारी एनर्जीज पढ़ेंगे, तो सबके डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? ml2 t-2. आपने ये पढ़ रखा है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ mv². आप देखो निकाल के, अगर आप इसमें वैल्यू पुट करो, हाफ तो कांस्टेंट है, हाफ के कोई डायमेंशन नहीं होंगे. m वेलोसिटी के LT-1, तो देखो क्या आ रहे हैं आपके? व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग? ml2t-2. तो सेम आ रहा है ना? सेम आ रहा है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes.
ओके. ऐसी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी mgh, आप इसमें भी वैल्यू पुट करो. m g इज द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, दैट इज LT-2. हाइट इज l, तो कितना आएगा? ml2t-2. सो एनी टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी इज देयर, the dimension formula remain same and unit remain same. Yes, is it clear? So any type of energy is there, so it has the dimension formula ml2t-2. Next is power. What is the formula for power? Rate of doing work, work upon time. तो work कितना है? अभी हमने निकाला है ml2t-2 डिवाइड बाय टाइम t, तो कितना आ जाएगा ये? ml2t-3 and its unit is joule per second, because work is joule and time is second, so it is joule per second. Joule per second. Next is pressure. What is pressure? Force upon area. What is pressure? Force upon area. Force is mlt-2 divided by area is L square. You will get it equal to ml-1t-2. एक ये L से यहाँ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ L⁻⁻1 ml-1t-2. ml-1t-2. Yes, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is its unit? Pascal.
Pascal.
अब आपको जो करनी है, homework for you is you have to write the dimension formula for capital G. For capital G, specific gravity, because all of you know about its specific gravity, relative density, right? And then you have to see which other quantities you have studied. Impulse का formula बता रही हूँ. Impulse is force into time. Force into time. Impulse is force into time, right? Specific gravity. Refractive index also you can do. Do you know refractive index? Yes, do you know refractive index?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Refractive index is the speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. तो आपको ये quantities के कल मुझे क्या बताने हैं? डायमेंशन फॉर्मूले. Refractive index. Okay, thank you, and now you can leave the meeting.